G'day guys and welcome back. Join us this week as we explore a bit more of the Outback and we go noodling. For you. There you go, Jack.
Hey, Mum. Don't take it.
Poke it through, sit and hold on to it. Good boy.
Look. There. Look. Yeah. Hello. 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 Oh. Mom. Mom.
Yeah.
This is so good before we get in the car.
Yeah. Right. Good. No wonder these kids' clothes have all got holes in them and stains. Go run, Tech, as fast as you can. Run up there. Run. Is that all? Walking. He gets his athleticism from you, dear.
We're not good at cardio.
Oh, here we go. What about this one? He's got his coordination from me today. Whoa! And now Sid. Oh, he's going up. All right, see ya. Let's go see the rooster. Whoa, he's dancing. Show him a dance back and he might dance again. Oh, there he goes. You know what's gonna happen and you just don't know when.
Here was the Yankee singing and dancing. So come on.
So I'm just in here, we're about to head off and I was halfway through boiling the kettle and the gas is turned off and she's turned it off. She's turned the gas off, ready to leave, so I'm just gonna stitch her up, be like, I think we've just run out of gas. See what she says. Okay. Hey hon.
Yeah?
I think we've just run out of gas.
Oh shoot, I just turned it off, sorry.
What do you mean?
I
Come
turned-
back here. What?
I said I turned the gas off.
Why?
Because we were leaving. I forgot you had the thing on. Do it turn back on.
No, I knew you did. What did you think of that rooster? You ready? Let's see if I can make the same noise. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Did that sound good?
That noise.
What does it do?
It does sing its rooster song.
It sings its rooster song and it does its rooster dance. So we stayed at Eldunda Roadhouse last night. We got in there at about 3:30, 4 o'clock, and filled up with water, done a heap of washing, so it served its purpose. Then this morning we went for a walk around, had a look at the animals and that they had there, and then now we've just jumped in the car and it is 9:15. And we've had a really slow morning. Like, we sat in bed, watched some YouTube for a while, like finished a coffee. Yep. Oh, sorry. And now we're just having some, check this out. I made some potato fritters and a day.
Good. They actually taste like hash browns.
And because we had potatoes to use. And they are the best for brekkie too. You want more? What do you say? Sure. Alright.
Anyway, you'll have to do a cook up on them because they are delicious.
They're so simple. For sure. Alright, gotta give snacks. You can breathe.
Oh, did you change my gears?
Yeah, I changed gears.
Oh, thanks.
I'm just gonna sit here and shut up. You're sweating.
Yeah.
You smashed it, Arnie. So I've just looked over here and seen that light on the dash. And I was like, what is that warning light? I'm not in the cockpit. What is that? What does it say?
It says fuel filter maintenance required.
So we've got picked up dirty fuel. That's gonna give me a job when we stop next.
Yeah.
But it is nearly due for a service, so I'll probably just do it all at once, to be honest. How do you feel? We just crossed back into South Australia.
Woohoo! We're in our home state. Let's go. Ooh!
I think I should do this. Oh! You did it!
Not you.
Look what's on the back of that truck over there.
What is it, boys?
Excellent on the hay.
Fritz. At Marla Roadhouse.
So good. This is so nice.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy.
What's your favourite?
And my favourite is Fritz.
Fritz, what's your favourite, Sid?
Yes.
Olives.
Yeah.
So this is us when we pull into a camp. We're just sussing out how much rubbish, what sort of rubbish.
What does that look like? What is that? It's literally a pile of different gloves.
Gloves. Show me, here, face this at her.
It's literally a pile of different gloves.
We might have to go back to that other one, eh? Let me get on Wiki and see. Or we just go back to that bush camp back there that was 5 k's away.
But what if we get there and the other person that says bit?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. There's only one other gravel pit before Coober Pedy now, and it is 23 k's away from here. Well, this camp for the night, we're about an hour out of Coober Pedy, and the first things that came out were the deck chairs. Second things were the dump trucks, weren't they? The dump trucks came straight out, hey? Are you doing a poo? No. Sid? Are you sure?
No.
Is there a Pedy? No. Uh-oh. The joys, eh? What's going on?
Mom.
Yeah?
I pushed it back in his dump truck because he's hurt.
While the boys play, I cook away. That smells delicious. Ew!
It's crab.
Look at the walls.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom.
Crocodile?
Yes.
Oh. Hey, honey. Cheers.
Cheers to an opal.
Are you going to fill them in, or we'll show you in a minute?
We'll show you in a minute in the car.
TJ found actual opal. Can't believe it, the RC thing.
Look, so this is that. Found it in the car park. Literally, it was just sitting on the ground, hey?
That is 100% opal.
Right.
I'm proud. Whoops,
That
not
is
focused.
so cool.
Well done, honey. Let's take you noodling.
It's
You're
probably
clearly
not
a good noodler.
Yeah.
Well, you must be onto something here, honey, because the car's still only just there and you're in the same spot.
It's a little bit as a found. I don't know if it's like opal or not.
Gee, you're doing alright, aren't you?
What's it, this one? See these rocks? See how they've got blue in them?
Yeah.
This is what we're looking for, the rocks with blue in them. Okay.
Alright, so now let's go looking.
So if you find some rocks with blue like that, you come and bring them back.
I just saw that from a distance. That's got a strip in it. Let me see that. That's definitely got a strip through
Well,
it.
look, that's where we parked the car. This is where I got to before I spotted the first little blue bit. And then all of that is what we can still go find.
Oh my gosh, there's another piece.
Actual little bits of opal everywhere.
Here you go.
Like it's
What?
honestly like the best quality opal.
This Coober Pedy's a pretty bloody wild place, eh? Holy shivers. These cubes. That's a long way down, boys. Yeah, so this is like the public noodling place. But this is what Coober Pedy looks like. Freaking just, I don't even know, sandstone. Bloody dirt mounds. But TJ's somewhere over there noodling her heart out. And I'm just climbing mountains with the kids. I hope one of them doesn't get a roll up. They're going down one of these though. How you going? Found some.
So look at this. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this is called potch. And you look for layers of opal in it. There you go, there's another piece.
Yeah.
So all we've been doing here is getting like the sun behind us and just slowly moving layers of dirt off, and then you'll just see this little like shimmer, and yeah, that's how we found all of our things, is just a bit of shimmer in the light. And we're currently at the free noodling area at Coober, Pedy. We found heaps just in the car park there. And now we've gone down the road a little bit, so this whole area is like free noodling. And we found a fair few bits here too. And there's like some decent pieces if you've got the patience. So see this here? Right there. That's what you look for. So it's got a piece of potch in it, and then sometimes if you get it in the right light, it'll shimmer back at you like an opal. Yeah, so just spat on it and cleaned it up a bit. Yeah, it's got a little shimmer in it, so I think, yeah, that's opal. So I just started digging along this little bit, and then I just found this. How cool is that? Wow. I've just been digging in this same spot now for I don't know, probably half an hour. I found a couple of other tiny pieces, but I've just found this. That is definitely opal. That's got real green shimmer in it. So cool.
Here, Sid, you tell them, say I had rocks stuck in my nappy.
Rock, duck, dobby.
Yeah. So I'm currently just lying in Sid's bed because our bed is covered in chairs and the likes.
That's for the airplane.
While Mummy's out noodling still. We just went out and we've been noodling for the last hour, maybe hour and a half. And we've found lots of little bits of opal. So that's really exciting. Anyway, I'm lying on Sid's bed, look at me. With his little truck sign. Let's hope Mummy's still onto something out there, eh? I've just opened Sid's little bedroom window. He's ripped it. Actually, Tech ripped it. So I can only open it a smidge. I thought I'd see if I can see her. And look at this. I'll zoom in on her because she's fossicking right there. It's actually quite addictive. Once you find a couple and you realise what you're looking for. Oh, there's things going in her fanny pack. Put that straight in my basket. It's been a good hour. And she's still not back. I think she's found her new favourite hobby. No, not favourite. But I think she's found a new hobby, because she's still not back. It's getting pretty hot out there. And so is little Miss A. He's back! How did you go? Wow!
We've got some good ones.
Have we?
Yeah, let me find it. Hang on. I'll show you my best one. Somewhere.
This episode is sponsored by Hide and Horn Australia. Stay still. Thanks, Cash.
Right through there.
Oh yeah. Let me get that in a better light. That is so cool.
Wicked. So we've just put all of our little finds soaking in water. And wow, look at that one there. Oh, that is glowing. My goodness. Well, we are just leaving Coober, Pedy. And it's 2:30. So we started looking for opals at about probably 9:30, 10, and we're just leaving now. So that's what? So hang on, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 5 hours.
5 hours opal hunting.
And we found some good ones, I reckon. What's up here, Dale?
That looks a lot like a dead cow blown up. and I've seen a lot of them in my time.
I'm gonna say you're pretty right.
Old fella, he's seen better days.
Sure has, hasn't
I
he?
wonder if he's woohoo. That's right too. And kids, that is why you should always stop, look, listen before you cross a road, because that cow did not stop, look and listen properly. Spotted a bit of wildlife, so I sent the boss out. Oh, don't like get down and crawl or anything, just walk straight at it. What the view looks like for me and what the view looks like for you.
Hey mate, you're pretty looking.
Look out! He's So we are all going for a walk, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going for a walk. And we're going to go try and find a lizard. And hopefully a piece of wood. Yeah, and some wood.
Oh.
Look, Tex, trying to find a lizard.
Sid, have you still got your piece of wood? Let's see.
Boys, I found a lizard. Have a look, just here, its head. See it?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Good.
It's its head, lizard head.
Can I touch it?
You can.
Whoa. Not a real one.
Yeah, it is. It's just a dead one.
Yeah.
But there wasn't a live one here. If we keep looking, we'll find it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Mommy! Mommy! Mom said this way!
Alright, let's go see what Mummy's found.
So what actually happened here is while we were collecting sticks and wood for the fire, Sid unfortunately jagged a stick to the eye, and he did end up with a couple of pieces of stick actually stuck in there, and did manage to also poke a couple of holes in the white of his eye. His actual eye itself did look undamaged, luckily, and so to help with the sensitivity as he was struggling to keep it open, we just decided to put an eye patch on him until we could get some service and get him into the closest doctor. But because his actual eye wasn't damaged and he didn't appear to have any vision problems, we decided it wasn't a pack up and go situation.
It's
Yeah.
sore. See that?
Would you like a little special treat?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's got chopped chips. But you got to let us have a look at your eye.
See that?
Yeah.
Hey, look at Mummy. Oh,
Oh, it's stick in there.
There's still sticking
There's
it.
still stick.
Help make it feel better. That's it. Nearly.
I know. It's not a nice feeling, Bub, is it?
Can you please lie back down for me? You've got stick in your eye and I need to get it out, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to be really brave, okay, mate?
Feel better if
Once
I
we
can
get
get
it
it
out,
out,
it'll
okay?
be better.
Good boy. Can you look this way?
Yeah.
Good boy. See, that's better. And look up to the sky. That's it.
Over here. Can you see Mummy's fingers? How many is she holding up? Oh my god.
Look at that.
That was in your eye.
Your eye.
That's the second bit. Is there more?
Yeah.
I can't even focus on it.
There's more.
No.
Letting the stick.
Look, I've got the stick, okay?
Alright, so can you look towards Tech? That's it. And then look back here.
Stabbed his eye.
Yeah, and look up. Saw.
You are very brave.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're welcome, mate. You're being a really good boy.
Does that make it feel better?
Right? Mom? Right?
All done. That's gonna make
Good
it feel
boy.
better. Sid, do you want to see what you look like? Look in the phone. You've got a patch on your eye to make it feel better.
It will keep the dust and the dirt out of it, bub, so it gets better.
Yeah.
Okay? Good job, honey.
He's such a good boy.
He's so tough.
He's tough, but I knew straight away because I knew they were playing. I knew they were playing with sticks as little kids do, and I was, as soon as he done that scream, I was like, oh my gosh.
Well, we're about to hit the road. Jacob's just made some brekkie and I filled our wood box. Yeah. Wow, look at this. Oh, beauty, there is some good bits in there.
Hon, how many Ks did we just drive?
I saw.
Your hacksaw is still on the back. We've just drove 110 Ks. Stopped at Glendambo for fuel and check this out. Are you kidding me? What on earth? How did that stay there for 110 Ks? TJ, come and have a look at this.
Okay.
Come here and have a look at this. Oh my god. 110 Ks. You hung it up. There's a phone. The doctor's gonna help make it feel better. Yeah, I can see where it got you though. Yeah, is it still sore? And there was like sticks stuck up in that corner.
He hasn't got his eye patch on. How's your eye? How did you go in there?
Yeah, good. Sid was a really good boy. He went to get a second opinion. He was going to get someone else to come and have a look at it, but then he just came back in and said, we'll give you some antibiotic drops.
Okay.
He
Right.
said, I'll see you in 3 days. I was like, no, you won't.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, I was meaning like, no, you won't, because we're still travelling, not because...
Well, thanks for joining us this week, guys. That's all we've got time for. If you enjoy what we do, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Have a good one.
Whoa! How'd you go? Skin off for sure, eh?
Good job.
Yeah. look, that's groupie.
I told ya.
You gotta jump at the same time. Right. One.
Oh, hang on. So, I thought I do a lot. Oh no, that's a bad angle of me. Look, I look like I've got a double chin. Maybe I do. Posty with the mosty. Oh, she's looking for a new noodling ground. Where's she gonna go, right or left? Always go left. That's my girl. Is it dead? If it runs up her like a tree, I'm going to absolutely wet myself.
Oh, piece of apple.
Piece of alfoil.
Pretty rock. That's the one that was in your boot.
Yeah, look at all the toilet paper in there. I hope you haven't had the lights on for too long, honey.
What? The lights are on.
These things are everywhere now. We're in Coober, Pedy.